Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to hide your status updates from specific people in WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp application, and you want to go to update section at the bottom side of the screen. Now let's tap this three-dot button in the top right corner of your screen, and let's select status privacy. So you will see here section audience who can see my status, and you can select my contacts accept, and you can only select specific people who you want to share your status with, but I will go for option my contacts accept, and you need to tap on this option, and you need to scroll through your contacts list and tap the check mark next to every single person that you want to hide your status from. And when you're done selecting people, then simply tap this check mark right here to apply your choices. And from this moment, those people who you selected from that list will not see your status updates. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.